every Starbean. Today yes, I'm aware it's raining presents. Yes, it's the holidays in July, people. Come on. Let's just fix this cloud right here. Rain some more presents. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here at the raining presents, and I just wanted to update the intro contest. The intro contest, it will be ending by tomorrow, but I wanted to make the video today of it. So yeah, just for you guys to know, um, like I will give the prizes to everyone. I will get the video edited by today, like the entry winners. Actually, we'll have it done. Like, the intro contest as today. I don't know what's going on. Oh, yep. I did it a day after. It's still only 27th. It was ended yesterday. So let's just say, I will get the video up by today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll see y'all later, and I'll get the video done by today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick update video about the intro contest, and I'll see you all later. Bye!